Welcome to Sony Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to legally install the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is Office 2024 directly from Microsoft. First, go to Google Chrome, type and search for Office Deployment Tool. Then click on that first link and download it. Then open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Open the first link that is showing there. Then select the relevant fields which are suitable for your computer. Here I am selecting the 64-bit and dragging down and selecting the professional option there and then dragging a little bit. Click on the next and choose your language. Then drag down further and choose the options whatever I am showing in this video. And dragging down, clicking on next and dragging further down. Here we need to off this option and dragging down. Click on the next and drag down. Then we need to select the KMS and click on the next. We are almost done with this screen. Just drag down, just click the finish button and click the export, and here select the option Office Open XML formats and then click on OK. Then check out this one and just wait. Before clicking on the export, we need to create a separate folder on your computer locally. Here I am creating a new folder and naming it as Office 2024. Then go to that Chrome screen and just click on the export button now. Then go to the downloads, select the Office deployment tool there, right click and run it as administrator. Check out this one and just click on continue. Select your folder here. Click on the OK button. Your files will be getting extracted successfully here. Then we have to give few instructions on the command prompt. Here you go and just type the command here I'm showing on the screen. Drag it down to the bottom and copy the console showing on there and then paste it here in the command prompt. Then just hit the enter button and here we are almost done installing the Microsoft Office on your system. This would take some time and you will receive a screen like this. After receiving the screen, here we have to wait again for some time to get all the apps downloaded on our computer. Here we go. We are all set now. Just go to the search bar and look for Excel and Word. You can work on it from now. Before working on your Excel, just give me a like and leave a comment. So it would be more motivational for me to publish more tech tutorial videos like this. Finally, thanks for watching my video. I hope it would be very useful for you.